Want to improve the look of your home this weekend? How about getting a wood floor look with the easy installation and maintenance of vinyl? You can have it with Tarkett's Transcend luxury vinyl flooring. It looks like real wood, but stands up to tough everyday use, resists water and moisture, is highly durable and built to perform. That's why it's backed by one of the best warranties in the business.
Our rec room is where we do all of our entertaining, and our kids live down here, so durability is so important. I like to do a lot of my crafting,
And I'm installing a microbrewery.
so cleanup is very important to us.
And you've always liked the hardwood floor look.
I do.
But being in the basement, the possibility of moisture, So that's why we decided to go with the Tarkett LVT floating floor for the durability.
And the cleanup and the great look of a hardwood floor.
Tarkett Transcend is flooring you can install yourself in a snap. Its tongue and groove system quickly, easily, and firmly clicks together to form one solid floating floor that won't swell or buckle, and requires no foam underlayment padding or adhesive, and minimal subfloor preparation.
We are extremely happy with our new flooring.
Besides being easy to install, it's really easy to keep clean and looking like new.
And that's important. With the kids playing down here all the time,
And your microbrewery.
I've had a few spills, but that's no problem with the Tarkett LVT floating floor.
And of course, I love the look of hardwood. We're really happy with our new floor.
Couldn't be happier.
From installation through years and years of enjoyment, Tarkett Transcend is luxury flooring at its best.